Food Republic is very special because unlike traditional restaurants, here you're going to order through a very cool iPad system that has all the menu items and different designations. So we'll have anything from noodles and rice to our sushi bar items.
Yes,
we also have everything from what we call our handheld selection. Great things that you can eat with your hands, like little tacos, sliders, burgers, and we have also very cool to the pizza. We also have a section called Sharing is Caring because the idea behind the restaurant is that everything is meant to be shared. The food comes in and set on the table. As you order it on your iPad, you don't have to worry about anything else, and you share it with everybody on your table. That way you get to enjoy and taste all the different things that we have to offer in Food Republic. My partners and I are very excited to share this concept with you. Please join us on deck 8 at Food Republic for an unbelievable dining experience. We hope to see you all very soon.
Hello, good morning everybody. Everybody enjoy the video? Okay, by the way, that is my brother from another mother, okay? Well, good morning everybody, good morning. Welcome on board to the beautiful and magnificent Norwegian Escape. By the way, my name is Alejandro Rex and I'm from the Philippines, and I'm the one in charge of the restaurant Food Republic, okay? Our Spanish guests, buenos días, damas y caballeros. Bienvenido al República, la comida demostración Homilianas Alejandro Domingo y soy de la país y los Islas Filipinas. For our German guests, Guten Morgen. For the French, Bonjour. For the Italians, Buongiorno. For the Japanese, Ohayo gozaimasu. For the Chinese, Ni hao ma.
Ni hao ma.
Okay, for the Thai, Sawadee ka. For the Koreans, Annyeonghaseyo. And for the Indians, Namaste. And especially for the Filipinos on board, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Okay? So before I begin our cooking demonstration for this morning, I just gotta give you a little hints on how we do it there in our restaurant in Food Republic. As Mr. Andrea said, one of the Potbelly boys, you don't need to order to the waitstaff, but instead, you will be using this cool iPad system. So in just a click, you will actually see all the menus and all the food, and it will come to you and be served to you automatically on your table, okay? So for today, I'm going to demonstrate to you some of our signature dish in Food Republic. So I'll be doing this tuna pizza, and then we will make some sushi rolls, one of our best sellers in Food Republic. So before we begin, I would like to introduce to you one of my best chefs in Food Republic, the cooking pride of Bombay, India, Chef Prasad.
Good morning, everyone. Today I make a tuna pizza here. Guys, you see the different types of pizza like margherita, chicken pizza, and pepperoni pizza, and etc. But today I show you the nice crispy tuna pizza actually. We take the ingredients for pizza and tortilla bread.
Okay.
This is tortilla bread.
Okay.
And this is garlic aioli.
Garlic aioli.
And some tuna slices on top.
Okay.
And garnish for onion, tomato salt, and rice.
Okay, so we will start now our tuna pizza. Okay, by the way, everybody, this cool tuna pizza is concept of Potbelly. So Potbelly restaurant or the Food Republic is a concept of Southeast Asian food with a twist of Latin America and Europe all packed in one. So this tuna pizza, 3 countries meet on this dish. Okay, so tortilla flour typically came from Mexico. We roast it for about 185 degrees for 9 minutes to make it crispy. Okay, Chef Prasad, you can start now.
Take this bread and we put on top this garlic aioli.
Okay.
This is combination of mayonnaise and garlic paste.
Okay, typically from Spain, garlic aioli. Okay.
We put on top like this.
Alright. Just spread the garlic aioli on top of this tuna crust, pizza crust, sorry. Okay.
Tomato sauce.
Then
we put on top these tuna slices.
okay, sliced ahi tuna. Okay, by the way, this sliced ahi tuna is very, very fresh, huh? Pasad and I do fishing at the back of the ship this morning, okay? With the permission of the captain. So we will just spread the sliced ahi tuna to cover this tortilla flour. Okay. So Mexico meets Spain and Japan. Okay, because typically sashimi is from Japan. Okay. Okay, as Chef Prasad, they're covering everything. Okay. There you go. And then we will cut it into 4 quarters. Right. Cut. Okay. Then we will place it on a plate. Okay, Chef Prasad.
Now on top we put the
Truffle oil, typically from Asia. Okay,
Then some maldon salt,
Alden salt,
some pearl onion,
some pearl onions,
and chives. This is a nice crispy tuna pizza.
on board Norwegian Escape by Food Republic. Okay. So thank you, Chef Prasad. Okay, and hope to see you in our restaurant later. Okay, so we will moving on now for the sushi. Everybody loves sushi? Okay, by the way, everybody, sushi is an art, okay? This is designed to be a finger food, even a snack, or even a full meal, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate to you first how to make the California roll. Everybody knows the California roll? Alright, famous California roll made in Miami. Alright. Okay, ingredients of the California roll is I have my sushi rice here. I have my crab mix. I have a sliced cucumber and a sliced hash avocado. Okay, so if you want to make a sushi back home, I'm going to give you a little tip. First thing you gotta do is you should have this perfect sushi rice, okay? I'm going to give you a little tip of how to cook the perfect sushi rice, okay? The basic ratio and measurement of cooking the right sushi rice is 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water, okay? But the technique of doing it is you have to rinse the rice gently, okay? Until the water is clear. You must pour it in a running water. Wash it gently, don't rub it too much so the grains will not be mashed up, okay? It should be go like this. And then once the water is clear, you just take out the excess water, and then let's say you put 10 cups of rice, and then you will measure it again with 10 cups of water. It depends on the sushi rice that you're making. We have lots of kinds of Japanese rice. We have this fufu rice, we have the kimchi rice, we have this California rice, but here on board we use the tamaki rice, okay? So you already rinse your rice and then you put the water. If you have a combi oven, you can place it on a combi oven